video, I'm going to show you a new feature available in Gmail. It's called Mail Merge. So you're going to need to have a Google Sheet with the information in for your Mail Merge. So I'm going to go ahead and click up in the top right hand corner to this icon to add. And I'm going to select a Mail Merge. So make sure this box is checked. And then I'm going to add from a spreadsheet. So I'm going to select the spreadsheet that I want to get my information from and click Insert. Once I have that selected, now I'm going to select which column the email is in, and I have an email column. And then the first name, I'm just going to use the first name for this, so I am going to select first name, and that is the title of the column. So once I select that, I'm going to click Finish. But before I do that, if I want to see everybody that I have on here, I can click on See All. But let's click Finish. And now I have the document and the fields attached to my email. But now I want to start my email. And so I want to start with their first name. So I'm going to simply put an @ symbol and select the first name. Put a comma, and then I'm going to insert my text. When I'm ready to send, I'm going to click on Continue. And to avoid having your emails marked as spam, make sure you have permission from the recipients and follow relevant local requirements. Okay, so we're good with that. And if you want to look at best email practices, you can click here. But I'm going to say Do Not Show Again and click Got It. So now I'm going to have 14 separate emails that will be sent, and I can send a preview email to myself first. So let me send that preview email to myself. So now I can see the preview email that was sent to me, and it was sent with Mail Merge. It was sent just to me. So it shows now Jen Mail Merge. So it's a personalized email based on their first name. So now that I have that, if I am ready to send this, all I need to do, again, I'm going to hit Continue. And now I'm just going to say Send All. View the message that I sent. And this is what I sent. And these are the people that I sent it to.